Arnab Mahajan sitting in front of you. Today's breaking news are currently there is an earthquake occurred in Gujarat, which is located in India. According to the seismologists, the earthquake had a very high magnitude of 7.7 in the Richter scale. This earthquake had just occurred few days back on 26 January 2001 at 8:46 am, and this day was India's 52nd Republic Day. The epicenter of this earthquake was about 9 kilometers southwest of the village of Chobari in Gujarat. As this earthquake had a very high magnitude of 7.7, it has made much destructions in Gujarat. Many buildings, roads, houses had been destroyed by this earthquake. This giant earthquake killed people from 13,805 to 20,023 and 1,67,000 people were injured during this earthquake. 3,40,000 buildings were destroyed by this earthquake.
Let's get into more details about this giant earthquake with our ground reporter Mr. Tavish. Gujarat lies from 300 to 400 kilometers between the tectonic plates of Indian and Indo-Eurasian plate.
Due to continental collide between the plates resulted in the movement of Earth's crust. It also had an impact of some parts of Pakistan. This earthquake was caused by a previously unknown South Tipping fault. It had a major impact on the city of Bhuj, which was just 20 km from the epicenter. Through this earthquake, 40% of the tourist places were damaged. The total loss was of $7.5 million. It had a duration of 22 seconds, but in that 22 seconds, the people's lives were changed. So let's see how this earthquake impacted the people. This earthquake is regarded as the highest earthquake in India. It was caused by the convergent plate boundary moving in the same direction.
As our ground reporter Mr. Tavish told you the details about this earthquake, this tells us that how natural disaster can occur anytime. Though there were evacuations that had saved people, but many of the people had died and got injured, as we told, because they did not have any idea about this earthquake. Due to this disaster, many people have lost their homes and they have become homeless. To help them, you can donate to funds to sites like PM Cares Fund, PM Relief Funds or other sites. And join our channel Social TV for more live updates like this.
There are three kinds of plate boundary: convergent, divergent and transform. Convergent boundary means when the plates, one plate overlaps the other and moves in the same direction. Divergent plate boundary means when they move in the opposite direction, whereas transform plate boundary means when they move side by side.